Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Mr. Gardener. Why you are surprising? Look at the video please. What is she doing? She is doing avocado planting in the home. What is this? I think this is a garden. Don't look at me, look at the video please. A lady is coming in the garden. Oh, she is looking to the avocado. Oh, she is trying to climb. Be careful, be careful. Oh my God. Oh, she is cutting a branch of avocado. She is doing very hard. Be careful. She is trying very hard. Oh, she successfully cut it. Be careful, be careful. She's successful. No, she is trying to cut the tiny branches. She sitting on the Oh my God. No, she is cutting the tree. She is trying very hard. She is trying. She is still trying. Why you are looking at me? Look at the video. Why she is cutting? I don't think so. Why she is cutting this? She is trying very hard. Oh, she put in a cutter. She is trying to cut. Oh. I think she is a very brave girl. Yes, yes, yes. You can do that. You can do. Good, good. What is this? Oh, these are 2 tomatoes, 1 onion. Oh, and aloe vera. No, what will she do? Oh, she is removing the insulation. Oh my God. What is she doing? It's very excited here. It's a very interesting video. She picked up aloe vera. Now she is cutting the aloe vera. Oh my God, be careful, be careful. Oh, no, she is scrubbing the aloe vera. Why she is rubbing this? Are you serious? This will be a very surprising video. Oh my God. What is this? This is a tissue paper. A toilet tissue. Oh, she is covering it. She is covering it. Covered the proper. Oh, this is an onion. Now she is removing the head and the tail also. Ouch! Oh my God! What is he doing? What is she doing? I think this is very interesting video will be. Ouch! Oh my God! Oh my God! What is she doing? How is it possible? Oh no, yeah, she is scrubbing the aloe vera on other branches. I don't think so. Why she is doing this? Oh my God! This is a tomato. This is tomato. She cut the other onion. Oh, she is doing same with other onions. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. It's really exciting. What is this? This is a pot covered with the soil. What is this? What is this? I think these are the seeds of avocado. Yeah. This is the seeds of avocado. Why she is putting these kind of seeds? More seeds. She is applying more seeds. Now she is spraying the water. Oh my God, be careful, be careful. Oh, good, very good, very good. Now she is covering the steak. Cover it properly, cover it. Yes. Oh my God, it's very interesting. She is spraying the water again. Look at her clothes. Yes. Look at her clothes and has a bracelet and her shoes. No, she is covering with the large size of polythene paper. Oh my God. Oh wow, beautiful buffalo. Wow, what a sunset. After 30 days. Oh my God. How is it possible? She didn't change his pant. She didn't change his clothes. Oh my God. How is it possible? How is it possible? The onions and tomatoes are same. How is it possible? It's very exciting. How is it possible? What is she doing? This is not a reality. This is not a reality. She applied anything else. I think she applied any kind of solution to. Oh my God. It's impossible. You can look at the tomatoes. These are same. These are fresh right now after 30 days. Oh my God, they are fresh inside. How is it possible? How is it possible? Oh my God. Now she is taking and spraying the water. How is it possible? I'm excited to look inside the pot. I'm very excited. Why you are looking at me? Look at the video. This is very excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm very excited to look at inside. Do it quickly, remove the soil. Do it quickly, please. Oh, no, she is trying to remove the soil. Be careful, be careful. I'm very excited to look. I'm very excited to look. Oh, what is this? Be careful, be careful. Oh my God. Oh my God. How is it possible? How is it possible? It's very fresh here. It's impossible, impossible thing. Now what is she doing? She was doing, oh my God. She is smashing the aloe vera again. Be careful, be careful. Oh my God, oh my God. Be careful, she cut his hand. Oh my God. She is smashing the tomato. Be careful, be careful. This is a very exciting video. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why she is playing these seeds? Oh my God. What is she doing? Oh, she is putting it again. To watch the full video, please subscribe my channel. Oh, what is she doing? She is covering it with grass. Oh, I don't think so. Why she is doing like this? She is covering it properly. Okay. Yes, she is doing. She is covering it properly. She is covering. Now she is spraying the water again. She is spraying properly and slowly. Why is she covered with grass? What is she taking? Oh, she's checking the leaves. Wow, what beautiful hands. Some beautiful chicks. I think just this is the video. Oh, look at after 7 months. Oh, after 7 months. There are proper leaves on this chick. Oh my God. Oh my God. How is it possible? How is it possible? I don't imagine that. Oh my God, here is a mistake. Here is a mistake. Look at the grass. It's a green. Oh my God, another mistake. She wear the same shoes and the same pant after 7 months. Oh my God, this is not possible. I don't think so. Why people watch these kind of videos and why people make these kind of videos? These videos are totally waste of time. I don't think so. Why you people are wasting your time to watching these kind of videos? Don't look at me. Look at the video. You have lost it your all the time. You have lost it your 15 minutes. Why you are looking my helmet? This is a horrible helmet. If you have wasted your 15 minutes, then why you cannot waste your 5 minutes more on looking at my helmet? Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.